Show Andy. Yeah.
Love life. Let's go. All for the game for your ass is out there. All for the game for your ass is out there. It's time for you to jump. Love that. She had it. People fucking did.
Come on, T. Come on, T. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Everybody's doing it.
You got it.
Let's go.
You got it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, team. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Fuck that. Let's go. Man up, baby. You about that life. You about that life, dog. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Get
Let's
it.
go. Let's go. You got
Let's
it.
go.
You got it. You got it. Let's go.
He needs you guys to do it.
You got it. You got it. You got it. Let's go.
Let's
You
go,
there.
team.
You there. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, team.
Let's go. You there. Let's go. You got it.
Take a deep breath. Go.
Let's go. You got this, dog. Let's go. You team motherfucking roll. Let's go.
I wanna watch them first. I gotta watch them.
I thought you weren't gonna wait.
Huh?
I thought you weren't gonna wait.
So I thought about it. No, you know what it is? You know what it is? It's waiting. You know what I'm saying? And then when you get out there, it's like windy and shit. I'm gonna watch them. I'm gonna do it last.
Just wait here for 1 second, bro.
That shit is really high, dog. I don't fuck with heights.
Got it.
Huh?
You got this, dog. You got it.
Got it.
You got it.
What happened, bro?
You know what happened?
took
I was
it.
ready, right?
You
I was
took
ready.
your
I went
time.
out there and shit. I'm like, cool. And then like something just pulled me. and I just froze. I'm not even gonna lie.
That was your spirit in your body. That was common sense.
Cause I've done it before and shit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So
It just takes one.
I was super hyped.
It takes one.
Bro,
wrong thought.
as soon as she put the second one on there and it started pulling me, it's just like, nope.
That's what happened to Eric. Eric was like, yo, don't pull me. He was serious.
When that shit pull you, you feel me?
It takes one little tiny negative thought, and then that's it. You're like, oh.
You turn around.
I mean, I gotta do it though.
Yeah,
I'm gonna do it.
he took you off the game. That's what it was. Watching you go all the emotions.
If you watch me and you go and you don't go,
No, I'm definitely gonna do it.
Hey, listen, when you turn around and look at me, it looked like when you put a scary movie on for King. That's how you was looking there. Yo,
I don't fuck with heights,
you
man.
looked at me like this.
It don't even feel like you strapped in and nothing. You know what I'm saying?
I give you a lot of props.
I don't know how motherfuckers bungee jump.
I don't even know how you even wanted to do that shit today after a 13-hour flight.
I don't know.
What possessed you to do this shit, bro? Like, where?
Well, I did it before, but that was like 5 years ago. You know what I'm saying?
So what's the difference now? What's happening now?
It's no difference.
Common sense.
Yeah. You're a little more wiser now. I'm a little more wiser than I
The next time
was
you
5
go-
years ago.
The next time you go, I'll get Andy to do it. He can just take you out there.
this is when you were excited about it, and then you contemplated life.
Yeah, that's the hard part right there. Is doing
Right
that
there,
shit.
right.
Yeah.
Right when you get clipped in, that shit gets real.
Look,
And then you feel that first pull from the rope.
nope,
You're like, oh, wait a minute.
nope.
No, because but see, the thing is, for the second one, they gotta pull you all the way back to the ledge and shit. So if it was right there, it's like, it's easy. They gotta pull you back, and once you feel that shit start pulling you, you like, oh.
As soon as you skip off, the split second that your feet leave, you're okay. Because you know that you're falling. So it's getting off.
Yeah, you leave.
Man, I gotta perform tonight, man. I gotta be healthy and in good shape and shit. I can't be all fucked up in my head, you know what I'm saying?
This is pretty accurate to all those symptoms.
You know what I'm saying?
That's the opposite of clear the mind. No?
You're New Zealand. You're crazy.
Would you like jumping off like that?
Do they have this in Dubai? This would be funny in Dubai.
They have it in Dubai.
Yeah, they got some stuff out there virtually.
In the Burj Khalifa. They have it in
They have like a
Dubai.
base jump where you jump off of it.
Oh, she gangsta.
She's got
Look at her.
balls.
She's talking to the camera.
Yeah.
She's like, I'm gonna do it really fast. Watch me.
Body language is good.
I'm like, you go, girl.
Get it good.
I told her, I'm like, just focus on the horizon.
She's gonna run into it.
Yo,
See, she out there posing and shit.
She's a little. Yeah, when I told her about her hair in the Pantene commercial, we're gonna know.
See, that's a mistake. That's a mistake.
Yeah, why did they make you look down like that?
Yeah.
That's the hard part.
Damn. Fast and the Furious.
That shit's super high.
Yeah, right. Watch her whole face expression will change once they buckle her in. That first buckle.
Hey, that first yellow line right there, when she crosses that, like,
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a wrap.
that's the shit that's like.
That's like, hey.
you're like, okay, I'm that close to the edge
Go
now.
ahead and talk about it. You start saying it in different languages. Go ahead and talk about it. We're not going, you're going, all right. Six, go, clap, go, go, back.
That shit is like.
Oh, so you got to turn around. Yeah, she said do it backwards.
No.
She said it's easier.
What, back jumping? Like you fall
You
back?
just step back because you're not looking at the floor, you're looking at the base here.
You.
So if you do it forwards, you do it yourself. If you do it backwards, we can push you off.
Can you push me forward?
Oh wow.
That's confidence.
She's got confidence. She's got balls, though.
She's going.
She's a little cutie. She can handle it.
She's terrified, but she's just not showing it. Yuli, smile.
So calm.
So she's going to go forward.
Oh my god.
What do you need? What's up?
Oh shit, she's gonna go.
Oh, Andy.
See, that's what happened.
Andy, stand back.
Change the music. Change the music now.
So, do you want us to take this?
Come on.
Why they holding her like that? See, that shit is.
That would be putting some thoughts in my head.
She's gonna
Is
do
she
it.
strapped in? Oh wow.
Wow. You hear that?
Wow.
Yo, she's a gangster, bro.
Look.
Boss when he jumps right now.
He's what?
Record the boss when he jumps. That
Wow.
was quick. She did it in 2 minutes.
Oh, she did that shit. Did you hear the noise?
Black people were like, fuck that shit, nigga.
Did you hear
At
the
all.
noise?
Not a fan.
Black people don't fuck with heights.
At all. Especially ropes and all that shit. You know, we got our shit right.
Huh?
Ropes.
Take you and your Instagram Halo for you.
No, I'm good. Oh yeah. So you go. All right, I'm going last.
You gotta jump to get it.
That's a good one.
See, I ain't got a choice.
Alright, what music are you
And
after?
black people don't like doing shit like this, you know?
This music? Yeah, let's do it.
Tiger.
No, don't put no music on. That shit is like,
The music might make you bop a little bit, you know what I'm saying? You might get
nah, hell no.
We're gonna check your music.
Hey, can you put on Molly?
No, don't put that shit on. I'm gonna trip
We're
out.
gonna request some music.
Am I going or you?
Go ahead, you hit. Go knock it out.
Let's go.
You wanna put on some...
All right, Jamer.
See, I was just tricking them. I was never gonna do it. I just wanted everybody else to do it. I was just hyping everybody else to come do it.
That would be
the hype man,
bro.
The hype man.
Yo,
Eric hype man.
I give Eric props. He did it though. Yo.
It took him about 2 hours, but he did it.
He did great. I actually think I thought he wouldn't do it.
His
His
legs,
body
It's
language
the-
was
legs
not-
is
No, it's the worst part when you on the edge
But like,
and they
it
gotta
was so cool out there. I thought you were just waiting for something.
No, I was
But
good,
he
and
was
then
real chill. He was running back.
something grabbed me like. Telling you,
His
brother,
other-
spirit.
It was that
His
girl
other
who
body.
threw you off.
his other body was like, nigga, what? What are we doing?
Hey, his spirit went like this.
We're
His
good.
spirit said, nope. Come back here, fool. I know you guys are laughing, but that's true.
Yeah, yeah, out of
Spirit.
I said out of body experience.
His spirit's like this. Hold on now. We're
Second,
talking about
your
this.
spirit. And will definitely be like, move back. Let me talk to you for a second.
Yeah, you felt it.
All right, this live is over.
That's just a wrap. It's a wrap.
I was never gonna do that shit in the first place. I was trying to see if they were gonna be stupid enough to do it.
And look, they did.
You know what? Yes.
Actually, I don't want to talk about this. You got a show tonight. I just want to relax right now. I don't want anything to go wrong. You get like, you know, what's that?
Anxiety.
Anything with high gun. Yo, this is.
I got anxiety.
My stuff
I know for a fact I'm not jumping. And my anxiety is like this.
You guys are pretty excited, right?
You guys are he's ready. This guy's like,
But they look like former astronauts. Like, he worked for NASA for 33 years. He was like a pilot in the Air Force. Like, this is nothing. Woo! Easy.
no, I did not. No, I said no. No, I didn't. No, I didn't charge anything on my card. No. It's in my room. It should be in my room, but no, I didn't charge anything. It's a no.
What's up?
But it's a no. It's a no.
Yeah.
That sounds like anxiety.
Somebody.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, they will put that on. Oh shit. Ah shit.
She's gonna do it. She's got balls too. You see, women are stronger than men.
Oh yeah, women are definitely stronger than men. Women are definitely stronger than men. They give birth, man.
They don't think about it. That's why they always say stuff first. Man.
Then say, I'm sorry.
How's she going?
Notice that?
Charles, watch this. Charles, you gotta jump. You gotta jump, Charles.
I wasn't here.
Oh.
She said it's scary as fuck. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Whoa. Wow! Do you hear that noise?
There's an air brake on that, slowing it down.
She's cursing.
Yo, what if that doesn't slow down?
She's like, motherfucker.
All right, thank y'all for tuning in. We'll see y'all tonight for the show.
Yo, I looked at him and I said, yeah, I looked at him and I said, you did it before, and he said, nope. All right.
Can't think about it. Can't think about it. Yo. Just wait. Be out there for a minute. The most. A minute.
Yo, if you good, I'm good.
Hell no, I ain't good.
We can walk out together, nigga.
Nah.
You gotta do it. You got it.
I don't think I could do it, but we'll see.
You got it.
1 minute. At the most.
Got it quick.
A minute. Go out there, click.
Well, it wasn't.
Get the fuck
Eric,
off that thing.
Eric took you off your game, man, because he was out there going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. They got you going up and down, up and down. Now the girls just went and did it real fast in like a minute or less. You'll be good. Watch.
Round 2, let's go.
There you go.
Let's go. Yeah.
Everybody's saying don't do it.
Everybody's not here.
Shit.